Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace be upon you, as well as the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His blessings. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Welcome back to another video. Topic COVID-19. Welcome to Joyful Time with Adeebah and Taroob. Today, now we are gonna do an hairstyle of coronavirus awareness on Arfa. For the hairstyle, we need a comb, like this comb, partition comb, and rubber bands. And you need these type of rubber bands, small rubber bands. Come on, let's start the hairstyle. Wait a minute. First, we have to take the partition. We have to do the partition in two halves, like this. And then we need to take the rubber band first. Take it pink. And then take some of the hairs to the comb. And I'm taking this comb. And tie the rubber band. Then we start the screen. If you do it in small hairs, short hairs, it is better. This hairstyle is better if you do in short hairs. We have finished doing that coronavirus awareness hairstyle. You can see the hairstyle. She looks like a small doll.